Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how releases work. So you had a brief description of it in the introductory video, but here I'm gonna explain it like more in detail. So the idea of releases is to have in advance a preparation for a specific event or more important moment that you want to show in your website. So I'm here in my home page, and I'm gonna start preparing something for summer. So I'm gonna start changing the title. Foster Juice is ready for summer. And I'm gonna change this image for this beautiful image for summer. I'm gonna save it. See, remember that this is not changing our live version. This is just a draft apart from it. And just a reminder, you will also have an option to publish this document now or a specific date and time. However, I don't want to choose this only document to be published in the beginning of the summer, because I have many documents for that date. So it will be more complicated to go into each document and start choosing the same dates for all of them. It's better to put them and stack them in my release, which is called Summer Season. I will add it, and you will see that the color will change. Now I have it in purple. And if I go here, you will see all the different documents that I've created. So I have my home page and I have my shop page, where I have already changed the title for summer discounts. And inside, in the plan tab, I will see all the different releases that I've created. So I have 3 different releases or folders. I only have documents for the summer season. I haven't scheduled it yet, but I will be able to see in this view all the things that I have scheduled. So I will have here the date for August, for February, and then my apple juice. We don't know yet when is it going to be launched. So you will have like a preparation tab where you have everything planned and you know when is everything going to go live. Additionally, every release is independent per language, per locale, so you will also have the possibility to go through there. And if I want to go to my home page and I want to create a different version of this for my February event, welcome to Foster Use, get ready for February 2020 event, I will be able to save it and add it to the respective release without affecting the other versions. So I'm choosing here February 2020, add to release, and you will see I have 3 different versions of the document. I have my published one in green and I have 2 in purple, summer season and February 2020. When I go again to my plan tab, I will see listed everything here. And for example, for the summer season, I want to schedule it already, and I will choose the date. I want it to be July 2020, and I want it to be, like 12 a.m. So I schedule it. You can see the change here. My launch of the apple juice, I don't know, and the February 2020 event, sorry. I'm gonna also schedule it. It's February. I will do it at 8 a.m. Schedule it. And if you want, you can also have a preview of all these documents at once. Or you can delete the release, like in a bulk release. If you didn't like the changes, if you decided that the event is not happening anymore, you can delete it. Or you can also unschedule. If you're going to change the date or anyhow you want to keep it for later, you can unschedule it, and that's it. So I hope you find this really useful. Let us know if you have any additional questions, if we can help you with anything else, and see you in the next video.